Hi everyone. I am Paddle. She is Nura.
Hello.
She is me too.
Hello.
We work in the same office. I am so upset. My boss won't like my work. One evening I came to park to meet my friend.
Hi dear, why you are so upset?
Then, I tell her everything.
I think you have a photo editing problem.
So what should I do now?
Clipping Amazon can solve your photo editing problem.
But where can I get so much money?
Don't worry, Clipping Amazon provides best services at cheapest price.
Hi.
Clipping Amazon can help you to increase your sale.
We provide 17 services, like background remove, color correction, neck joining, image shadowing, etc.
Now my life is changed. Thank you, Clipping Amazon.
If you want to increase your sale and want success in your career like Paddle, visit now.